Hey guys, I want to show you something. I've just done something really cool. I've just been and bought my wife a brand new car. So I bought her a Range Rover Sport. And what's amazing is she wanted this Range Rover Sport, and I actually had two options. I could have gone on eBay, bought all the components, and then gone on YouTube and listened to a whole bunch of training videos, how to build a car, how to get the components, the glass, the wheels, the steering wheel, the electrics, and then literally put it all on the driveway here at my house in England and figure out how do I connect A to B and pray to God and cross my fingers that everything works. Well, did I do the smart thing? Did I actually rock up to the Range Rover dealership? Did I buy a car that they've built? And did I finance it using Range Rover's money? That's what I did. So my name's Carl Allen. For the past 29 years, I've been buying and selling businesses all over the world, and I've been using other people's money to do it. So for me, starting a business from scratch, like building a car, is the craziest, most ridiculous thing you would ever do. Why would you reinvent the wheel when you can buy something that somebody's built, a business owner, they've decided they want to sell, they want a safe, trusted pair of hands to take the business to the next level, and they'll allow you to buy it using the business's own resources, so you can pay them over time to acquire that business. So don't be an idiot. Don't start a business from scratch. It's a 96% failure rate. Buy a profitable small business. Now, you're probably asking yourself, well, I don't know how to do that. Well, I got you, my friend. Click the link below, schedule a free training where I'm going to break my system down and show you exactly how to do it. So click the button below and I'll see you on the training. Until then, bye for now.